Oh, this is so Makati.
Fine.
Super Kati. This is till us in Bisaya and Tagalog.
Higad.
Higad. Makati. Oh, this is our hotel. Very nice hotel. There is Tanwa Hotel. Very nice. And very high yung bamboo. Then they have actually this is not part of Ho Chi Minh. Near in Hanoi. Yeah. Province. This is peanut. Yeah, this is peanut. We will harvest later after the meeting. Work first. This is all of these are peanut. You know, in my previous vlog, I have peanut. I think all of these are peanuts. All you can see is peanut.
Peanut butter.
And now it's 8:30 morning. Philippines is 1 hour advance in Vietnam. Very humid here. Very hot. Always ligo-ligo. Happy Tuesday, everyone.